Blowing an absolute gale here. I've had to do voiceover. Really bad on mic. Anyway, I've been watching this seagull for about 5-6 minutes. Just watch what it does here. There, look. Picks it up. Flies over to its side. And drops it on its side. Been doing that for about 5 minutes. Picks some up. Drops it on its side. Now I'm going to walk down side there in a minute so you can see what it's dropping. It's dropping bread. It's picking up bread and dropping it on side. That bird knows what it's doing, alright. It'll be back later for its tea. Hey, you alright there? It's picking up. Bread. That's right. Leaves its bread there. I've turned background volume down to 7%. It's still too loud here. Well, seeing as I'm doing a voiceover with sound here with wind, there's a train there. Let's film that while we. Just look at that skyline there. Beautiful blue sky. Where am I going now? Filming concrete. Filming road, eh? Hang on, I'm back where I was. Seagull's gone now, that'll be back for its tea later on. It's alright this voiceover, isn't it? Do it more often. I don't need to worry about that gale force wind on my hand, Lee.